Locate Captain Keys, radio in, and I'll come pick you up.
Got it. Good, hold faithful. The crash site here. Plenty of health. Probably means we're not gonna... Oh, dang. Oh, I just heard Captain Keys was captured. Oh, I got him. Some might be trying to flank me. Got him. Ugh. Well, I'll use this until it runs out. There's no map. Oh, wow. That's crazy. Did they do that in the original? Oh, that was there. Oh, look at all the grass. I hear something behind me. Well, you can actually see better in the original. Oh, thanks for making noise, guys. I forgot what my grenade button is. Not that one. Shoot. That's my grenade button. Not tab. Not control. Not shift. Not E. Do I have 4 grenades? Not R. Oh, it might be F. I was looking for, like, what are the common... common FPS buttons. There's a duck button, right? Yeah. Dap.
Potato chip.
I hope I'm hitting him. What? Did you see the root grow? Got him. I really don't want to get like lost in some geometry and not be able to get out. Were we supposed to go over that? My biggest fear in video games is getting stuck somewhere that you can't get out of. Ever since Fallout 3, when you carry too much stuff, my play style is kind of like grab everything that isn't nailed down and take it to the shop to sell it for caps. No. Oh no. Get up. There. They're gonna get in that thing before we can get over there. No, I guess we could have just walked up this thing, right? I don't know what Master Chief's incline limit is. Whoa, I was about to do that. Not smart to just run. Yeah, we're gonna get killed. I don't mind resetting. Unless we survive this. Nope. Right as I thought I had hope because I'd taken so many of them out. Okay, that's blown up. They're over here. Take that guy out. There's someone shooting me on the right. No, not those. Who's still alive? You're alive. I missed. Wrong button. No, that was the right button. What was that noise? Guess it was that. Wait, did I go the wrong way or something? There's containers here. Oh!
Not again! Grenade!
Uh-oh. Oh. Oh shoot, I put that up there. Wrong button. Oh, I got him. I need to steal that. Whoa. Oh, I thought that was empty. I thought I was dead. Okay, I need to steal one of these already. I am not good with that. I know that the Marines probably have years of training to be good at the assault rifle, and I did not go through that training. I am a genetically modified super soldier. I just got good. Oops. Oh, he lived. Is there anything to like see? Like, I feel like sometimes we're just running through levels. Oh. Metal Gear. Everyone's dead in there. There keeps being strange noises.
Stay back! You're not turning me into one of those things! I'll blow your brains out!
I'm fine,
Get
I'm
away
fine.
from
Soldier.
me! Ah! Ah! Don't touch me, you freaks! I won't be like you, I'll die first! Find your own hiding place, the monsters are everywhere! Play dead! That's what I did. Play dead. They took the live ones. Oh god, I can still hear them.
Don't fire or you're dead.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
What made him crazy? Oh yeah, and we can't ask any questions of Cortana because she's not here. She's still where we left her. Does that mean we're gonna have to go back and get her? Or does that mean she will show up somewhere where we can find her? what is the point of this energy bridge if you can go around? This wouldn't be here if the game wasn't like, you're gonna need this. And we don't have much. Some health. Oh. Is he okay? Dude, don't put your weapon down.
Why do we always have to listen to this old stuff, Sarge?
Watch your mouth, son. This stuff is your history. It should remind you grunts what we're fighting to protect.
Hey, does the Covenant want to wipe out this particular part of my history? That's fine by me.
Yeah.
Is that glitch part of the
You ask them real nice next time you see them.
camera or part of the game?
I'm sure they'll be happy to oblige.
Which is weird, right? I mean, look at it. Something scrambled the insides.
What's that? Plasma scoring?
He knows what inside of a
Maybe there was an accident. You know,
Covenant
friendly fire or
soldier
something?
looks like.
What do we have, Sergeant? Looks like a Covenant patrol. Badass elite units. All KIA.
Real pretty. Friend of yours?
Nah, we just met.
Right, well, let's get this door open.
I'll try, sir. But it looks like these Covenant worked pretty hard to lock it down.
Just do it, son.
I got a bad feeling about this. There! Get out!
Hold still! Hold still! Let him have it! Sergeant, we're surrounded. God damn it, Jenkins! Fire your weapons!
There are too many,
Don't
Sarge!
even think about it, Marine.
What is it? Local!
Get back here, Marine! That's enough! Jenkins!
The helmet doesn't know what happened to the owner. We got full ammo. Oh. Do we need to get back out? Do we need to fight our way through? Oh man, we're stuck. Ah. Getting stuck on stupid things. No. No, I don't have anything. What the hell is that? Nope. There's the captain's pistol. Where the heck am I supposed to go? There's a... I got full health. Back the way we came, I guess. Let me fill up real quick. And filled up. I'm gonna use this one because of the spray. No, what did I walk into? I need that health this time. Did I get it when I walked up? Nope. Okay. Saw me. I'll let them take a lot of the monsters out before I take them out. And I can save my ammo. I'm not speed running this or anything. Just wait. Just like an assassin. I heard something really loud. This is kind of nice textures. Oh, yeah. This is kind of smooth and mechanical, or what do you say it? Like cold. Like this is supposed to be just a weapon. This one is designed. This one's over engineered. This one is like designed to be a spaceship. Did they kill everybody? Looks like it. Whoops. Let's get out of here. Excuse me. I'm guessing this is the way we're going. What the heck is that? No. Ah. No. Get away from me. Isn't there supposed to be a shotgun in this game somewhere? Oh, this is the platform. Get us the hell out of here. Oh wait, why are we going down? Did I do something wrong? Something's shooting me. They have weapons? Oh, pff, now I pick up an overshield. Congratulations, you played yourself. Oh, shoot. Oh, we dropped a grenade. Something there. I don't know if it's an invisibility or what. Yep. Oh shoot. Ah. I walked into a dead end. Same. Get out of my way. I'm still invisible. I'm still invisible. Got health and I got an overshield. Oh, jeez. Come on, buddy. Ah. I only saw him at the last second. Takes so long to reload the stupid rifle. I'm guessing we're on the other side now. Okay, what the heck are we doing? Oh man, I fell down. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just following the green doors. What the heck? Oh, that might be where I came through. What are those things? I knew there was a shotgun in this game. It's gonna be the one time where I'm gonna actually drop the pistol in favor of this. Because I know it'll help get us out of here.
Boom shakalaka!
See? It almost sounded like for a second there that the song Unsainted was about to start by Slipknot.
Boom shakalaka! Boom shakalaka! Boom shakalaka!
What the heck? It's like they're spawning on me. Oh, what?
Boom shakalaka!
That was a waste.
Boom shakalaka!
Oh,
Boom shakalaka!
there he is. That's why it's freaking me out. There's that guy over there. We can't hit him. Oh, we can hit. Nope, I don't have the pistol anymore.
Boom shakalaka! Boom shakalaka! Boom shakalaka! Boom shakalaka!
Now we're playing Doom.
Boom shakalaka!
Oh, I hit R instead of grenade.
Boom shakalaka!
How do we get back up there then? They're all grouped up right here. Oh, I thought that was gonna work. Seriously?
Boom shakalaka!
No.
Boom shakalaka!
Thought that was green for a second. Just for a second. Ah, shoot. Good. Now how do we get back up? No.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Good. We need to stop going down.
This is Echo 419. Chief, is that you?